Well, hello there. Hi everybody. We are making Mr. Tickle today. So we've got magnets. So if you've got a spare magnet knocking around, blank one off the fridge, then grab that because this is going to be really fun. So we're going to start with masking tape and some wadding or cotton wool pads or something like that, and we're just going to wrap it round, just wrap it round. You know, I love my masking tape by now, and it's great to colour in and paint with. So this is what we're going to do, to make like a circle shape of the Mr. Man type of shape, and then and put the masking tape around that. Then after that we are going to use some pipe cleaners to make the wiggly woggly arms. So you just wrap the masking tape around that as well and make that with the arms. It's really cool. So then put that on the back. You can see, just stick a little bit there on the back and then stick around it again, and that will make it really nice and secure, and you can obviously bend them arms to whatever shape you want. So the masking tape is just brilliant for this. I absolutely love it. It's just the way forward, it really is. And the same with the feet. You just get some little bits there, mould them to it as well and shape them. And then the little flat hand bits at the end, keep them flat because I'm going to put a little hat in one of them. It's a little blue hat because it's orange with a little blue hat. And the other one just this little hand, and then start colouring it in. If you've got an orange pen or felt tip or some paint or glitter or anything, start colouring in. So here's orange, so we'll start colouring him in orange with our felt tip pens here. And then I'm going to add a little bit with a Posca pen as well, just because it's just a bit more vibrant, and you can see it a little bit more. It's a bit more vibrant orange. And then after you've coloured everything in, then get a marker or a fine liner or something like that, or a permanent pen or a Sharpie or something, and we can start putting in a little bit of detail with the face. And that is really simple. It literally is just a smiley mouth and two eyes, so there's no messing there. And then if you go around the outline as well, it can make it a little bit more Mr. Man-like, and around the little hat. And there's the wiggly arms, there it is. And these are really cool. And obviously you don't have to keep it as that. You can put it on as a pen topper or anything. But I thought it'd be really cool to put as a magnet, because we have lots of magnets in our fridges and everywhere. But why not have a handmade lovely magnet of your own? And I thought it's really, really nice, and you can do that. So grab a magnet from anywhere. You might have a few spare already on your fridge, because my kids, they're terrible for taking magnets off the magnet. So I had a few knocking around here. So I'm going to put that on the back there, another little bit of masking tape. Just tear that off, and that will be great. You just can put that straight in there and just stick it on the back, and that's absolutely brilliant. And there we have it, our Mr. Man, Mr. Tickle magnets. Yay! You can put that on the fridge with all your other magnets, and it looks really cool and quirky. So yes, I love it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll be back here at Kimberley Vickers Kids Art Attack with more fun things to do. Take care. Bye.